Hello everyone. I have a new office. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Don't be fooled by the video where everything looks easy. It actually took me 3 days to get it done because I'm impatient and I do things in a rush, and then it takes me twice as much to fix my own mistakes. But anyway, now it's done and I have a place where to work and edit and be creative. You might have seen it from the video and you might already know this, but I have an online shop where I sell my jewelry that I make, and I've had this for a little while. This is how I support myself mainly, because you know, it's always good to differentiate your income, especially if your income is mainly YouTube. But yeah, I receive a lot of questions from you on tips on how to set up an Etsy shop and how to run it. Sorry if my bounce, I actually don't have a chair in the office. I only have a bouncing ball because it helps you keep, you know, your back straight. Anyhow, yeah, lots of you ask me on, you know, how can you set up an Etsy shop and all of that stuff, which brings me to the sponsor of today, which is Skillshare. If you don't know, Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes to choose from, and they cover lots of topics such as illustration and graphic design and videography, but they also have lots of classes on freelancing and entrepreneurship. The class Building an Etsy Shop That Sells, Strategies for E-Commerce Success by Parker Gard is actually a great introduction to setting up your own Etsy shop, and it gives a lot of useful examples as well. I found the segment Getting Discovered the more useful to me because I really need to improve my SEO skills. Skillshare is always launching new classes and it's super affordable, and their classes are usually less than an hour long and they're divided in smaller segments so you can start and stop at any time of the day, and also they have no ads so you can just focus on your learning. So whether you want to learn a new skill, improve an existing one, or just let your creative juices flow, you can join by clicking on the link on the description bar. The first 1,000 subscribers to click on the link will get 1 month free trial of Skillshare, and this is a limited offer. It's only available until September, so if you've been wanting to try Skillshare, this is your chance. I think now I'm gonna go and take a watercolor class because I've been getting back into my watercolors. You can't see it from here, but there's a painting right there that I did a few days ago and it was a lot of fun. And as for the pegboard, if you like it and you want to try something like this for yourself, I will leave the link of the blog post that I used as a tutorial in the description bar, and as a rough estimate I used about 50 euros in materials for this. Also, last thing before I go, let me know if you enjoy this kind of format, a little bit shorter and silent. I like to make this kind of videos occasionally because then I don't have to edit myself, you know, rambling for hours. So yeah, let me know if you like them, and I shall see you very soon. Have a great day.